Hey guys, Adam here, directiontrader.com. Today's video is going to be a little bit interesting, and you're about to see why. I'm going to go over the trades I took today, and you're going to think, well, this guy's showing me losers, but that's exactly what this video is about, guys. It's about dealing with your emotions, dealing with losses, dealing with a day and what you should do on a day that things just aren't going your way. Today was that exact day for us. As you can see, let me just pull up here. This is the S&P and the crude, the current market for today. Just a simple 15-minute chart, guys. Over here you got the ES, and then here you got crude. As you can see, yesterday or this morning's price action, nothing but a bunch of doji candle bars with tons of wicks, guys. That makes for a dangerous trading environment. And then as we had this little push up, we had the exact same thing over the next hour. Just crazy sideways action. Every up bar was followed by a down bar, and so on and so forth. Very difficult to trade. Over here on the S&P, let's look at the price action here. Every down bar was followed by an up bar, and then a down bar, and then an up bar. Very difficult trading today, guys. We recognized it early, so we started to use smaller time frames to basically take smaller moves in the market, and hopefully we could just take little bits out and here and there, and just accept the day as either just a small day. That did not happen. Let me go over here and show you, and then I'm going to go over what's going through my mind and some rules that I have to basically minimize my risk moving forward, so I don't have to deal with any like big losses or big losing days. To protect my capital. My number one goal, just like Warren Buffett, preserve capital, guys. You'll see if you go to my trading plan on the website, directiontrader.com. Number one rule, preserve capital, and that's what I try to do. Let me go ahead and talk about these trades today, guys. As we got a nice push down, the S&P was pushing down very nicely here. We came up, retested a 50% level, we chopped, and then we had a nice break off. As this sell-off happened, we had high volume sell orders. So what do? Hey, let's sell it right below this previous low, and let's see this continue on down, at least to retest these lows. Zonk. We got in here. Enough for a nice stop out. All right, guys. First trade of the day. Market didn't do what we wanted it to do. So this went up on good volume, nice pullbacks, everything worked real well. So guess what? Now I'm thinking, all right, we've broken through this 50% on this down push. All right, so now we're heading back to the upside. I simply just took a pullback here, and then zonk. It's almost like a game here, guys. Two right in a row. I know everybody's done this, and if you've had any experience trading, you've had this happen to you before. But at that point right there, I decided that, hey, one of two things is happening. These are my rules. If I have two stop outs in a row in a particular market, I stop trading that market for the day. I'm done trading the S&P. As of this trade right here, I stopped trading the ES for the day. One of two reasons. One, either I'm not following my trading plan, the plan that has worked for me day in and day out for years now. Either I'm not following that plan, or the markets are not reacting to my plan. Either way, I don't want to be trading if either one of them happens. So one, either I'm not following my plan and I'm just not all there today. Something may have happened, or I just may not be thinking clearly, or I might get emotional, or whatever it may be. Stop trading then. Or the markets aren't reacting to the way that my plan is set out, and then basically my strategies and my trading plan. So either way, you stop trading after that, which I did. I had two stops here in the ES. Stop trading the ES. So then I got a trade later on in the morning, more towards the lunchtime, in crude. Same thing, guys. This is the same setup as this one over here on the S&P. The market had been pushing down. We had a nice pullback here to a level that we were looking for. I didn't take that pullback. I waited for this market to actually simply roll over and break down. As it pulled back, I took a short. Just like this trade right here, it dingle-dallied around here for just about 2 or 3, 4 minutes, and then up we go. Just like this one. Very, very frustrating. It's part of trading. But then my rules kick into play, guys. Just like I had 2 stop out rules on the one particular market, I have 3 stop outs for the day. I'm done. Just like today, I stopped trading after this crude trade. I'm done for the day. I've actually had a really good streak here of profitable days for quite some time now. Today put me back in check just a little bit here, but I'm bringing this video to you just to show you that, hey, it happens, but what do we do to prevent us from blowing out an account? Or what are some rules we can have in place to not blow out an account? My rules are 2 stop outs in a row in a particular instrument. I will stop trading that instrument for the day. Also 3 stop outs on the day, period. I'm no longer going to trade. 3 stop outs is quite a bit for me. This has been the worst day for me, and it was down just over 300 bucks. I know that's that's not a lot, but yeah, it's not a little either. So if that's even a word. It's not a little bit, but it's not a ton, but that's nice because I can come back. I preserved my capital. I didn't lose $1,000 revenge trading or $2,000 or $3,000 revenge trading today. I was able to cut my losses, even though it was an awful day. I cut my losses short, and I'm able to come back, and I mean, the money I lost today was really not a big deal to me. So I learned from it. I knew I followed my rules, so now I can come back tomorrow with some confidence that I can follow my rules. 3 little rules to keep in check, and did I follow all of them? I look at this every single day. I have them wrapped little checks around my monitors here saying, hey, was it a trend? Did you follow the short-term trend? Which I use these smaller time frames for my entry and exit. Yes. Was it a Fibonacci retracement number? Yes. And was that Fibonacci at support or resistance? Absolutely yes. This is a key checklist for me, guys, personally. This is a key checklist, and I can say that every one of them fell into play today for my 3 positions. So bottom line, the markets are not trading like I liked it, so I need to just get out, and they show that on the 15-minute bars. Every up bar is constituted by a down bar. It's just very difficult to trade unless you're like an edge trader, which I'm not. I like to trade with momentum, hence a little bit of a trend, so that's that. Another guy I talked to maybe last night, last night, he asked me about possibly having limits or profit targets or stop targets for the day. I don't recommend it being a dollar value. For an example, I don't recommend you saying, hey, if I make $200 today, I stop trading for the day. I would rather hear you say at 2 winning trades I stop for the day, or 2 losing trades I stop for the day. What that means is I don't like the idea of putting a dollar value on your day. I like to take what the market gives me. I don't have a set stop limit, set target. Every trade is unique depending on the volatility and the move of the market. So what I mean is, don't put that $200 profit target on a day. Put like a 2 trade limit, whether it be profit or loss. So that way, if you say I only want to lose $200 a day, but if you lose 12 ticks on the first trade in crude, that means you only have 8 ticks on the second trade. So that limits your ability to manage the trade rather than manage the money. So if you were to do that, guys, I definitely think that's a good idea. I kind of do that in my own way. To the downside, if everything's going well for me today, I don't stop trading. I keep on going. I'm one of them guys that I keep my foot on the gas if things are going well, but I will definitely put a halt to it if things aren't going well, as you've seen today. So I hope this helps, guys. This was kind of a checkup from the neck up, as Zig Ziglar says. Just keep your emotions in check. Preserve capital is #1. But other than that, I just wanted to put this video out there today. Hold yourself accountable for what you did, and definitely limit your losses, guys. Even though you have an awful day like I had today, I was able to manage it enough to where it wasn't awful. This really isn't going to put a dent in my account or anything like that. It allows me to be confident moving into tomorrow, knowing that, hey, I didn't keep on revenge trading and double and triple and quadruple what should be a small losing day. So that's enough of a rant for me. I hope this was okay and helpful, and maybe you got some ideas out of this to help you manage your troubling days moving forward. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. My email is adam@directiontrader.com. If not, come by the website and see what we got on there. So that's it for today. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.